Nvidia stock hasn't experienced much of a post-earnings rally, but that's a good thing. Once again, Nvidia released a strong quarterly earnings report as booming demand for AI chips resulted in yet another beat and raise. However, this has not resulted in much of a post-earnings rally for Nvidia stock. Is this a warning sign or no cause for concern? Let's find out. Let's dive in. Nvidia earnings beat. A hidden opportunity amid muted market reaction. Welcome to Timely Investment Research. Nvidia stock has once again knocked it out of the park with its quarterly results, but didn't have a post-earnings rally. Are investors focusing heavily on a negative aspect of the latest results guidance? Is there some sort of market-related factor that is outweighing this positive news? In other words, is the market's muted reaction a warning sign or no cause for concern? Let's dive in and find out. Nvidia stock, another beat and raise quarter. Post-market on November 21st, Nvidia released results for its fiscal third quarter, ending October 29th. For the quarter, the chip designer reported revenue of $18.12 billion and earnings of $3.71 per share. This represented a 206% jump in its top line and a more than 12-fold increase in its bottom line compared to the prior year's quarter. Results during third quarter were also up a solid amount sequentially. Revenue and earnings were up 34% and 50%, respectively, compared with second quarter. Yet not only is Nvidia continuing to profit handsomely from selling the picks and shovels for this AI gold rush, the company's results also came in ahead of sell-side estimates. Last quarter's revenue figure came in $2.01 billion ahead of analyst consensus. Nvidia's earnings per share figure came in 69 cents above forecasts. To top things off, alongside exceeding expectations with its quarterly numbers, the company also made an upwards revision to guidance. Nvidia expects revenue this quarter to come in around $20 billion, moderately above prior forecasts, $17.9 billion. Again, with these beat and raise results, you may be asking why Nvidia stock isn't soaring higher on this news. There's a silver lining with the market's low-key reaction. There are three reasons the market has had such a low-key reaction to the Nvidia third quarter earnings release. First, while perhaps happy to hear that Nvidia's AI tailwinds have yet to slow down, although AI mania has not disappeared, it has come down in intensity. Second, and especially with AI chip plays like Nvidia stock, China-related worries are very much top of mind. There are concerns that Nvidia may struggle to meet expectations due to the U.S. restrictions on AI chip exports to China. Add in some likely profit-taking from investors buying on the rumor of strong results and selling on the news, and it's not a mystery why Nvidia is trading sideways. However, there is a silver lining for both those who currently own the stock and for those who have yet to buy. Little has changed with the overall Nvidia growth story. Meanwhile, with the stock holding steady, the opportunity to enter add to a position at a reasonable price has reemerged. Falling out of the fast lane, not so fast. As I argued previously, Nvidia has figured out a workaround to this would-be China dilemma. Even if AI chip sales to China slip, burgeoning demand worldwide is likely adequate enough to make up the difference. Coupling this with rebounding demand for Nvidia's non-AI chips, such as chips for the gaming market, it's far too early to conclude that this company is on the verge of falling out of the fast lane. Instead, Nvidia will probably continue to report a high level of revenue and earnings growth. This will enable the stock to maintain its current valuation, 40.6 times forward earnings, and to keep climbing to prices well above present levels, around $500 per share. In short, there's one clear takeaway from earnings. With the bull case still intact, adding or increasing exposure to Nvidia stock remains a worthwhile move. Thanks for spending some time with us today, Timely Investment Research. We're so glad you did. If you found value in today's video, please give us a like, hit that bell icon to never miss an upload, and hey, don't forget to subscribe.